Hey guys, I'm out today at a broker open house, getting an in-person look at homes currently on the market. Some brand new, some that have been sitting for a while. This is where realtors preview properties for our buyers, especially folks relocating or those who can't be here to tour in person. But it's also a chance to take a fresh look at listings that might have been overlooked the first time around. And beyond the homes, Broker Opens gives us realtors a chance to connect, share insights, and build those professional relationships. If you're in the market, I'm here doing the legwork so you don't have to. And if you're a fellow agent, let's connect. Let's talk real estate, buying, selling, or just staying in the loop. I'm just a text or a phone call away. 559-281-2255. A veteran realtor at your service. Have a blessed day.